ukuthi inkululeko ayikakhiwa ngenzondo. Le mpi yenkululeko yakhelwe ukuthi lonke liswati liphile kahle. Uma kunento le wrong lendiwe umthetho ulingane, kungathiwa wena indzaba yakho iyawutekwa ngaphansi kwelitafula utholakala ujutshiwe. Bantu abakude abashiyaphi mawuhamba? Ubashiya even la indzaba yakho ingaba nasicalo, angeke kube indzaba, vele utawusonda. Uthi wena abantu abakho ubashiye, you played a role. That is why we must all stand up and fight for a just Swaziland. Angeke uze uyithole a just Swaziland tindlo tisaphethwe i-royalty. Mswati ne-royalty ayiphume kuhulumende. Emaswati akatiphathele uhulumende ngoba as long as Mswati aphethe inkantolo, aphethe uhulumende, aphethe iparlamente, you will never have a just nemnotho nako konke kuyabe kwebiwa kungabi indaba zalutho. On that one nje I wanted to teach emaswati ukuthi nangu nje ngenisambone eSwatini. Nginaso isithombe sakho ke bra salapha eIreland. Lamaswati lohleti nawo. Asikunyanyi, siyacela ukuthi uphephe. Lo so lapho nje uzubona ukuthi we don't have hatred against you. At least now you see why we are fighting for change. Khuluma nawe brother. At least now you see. Imali ngeke ikuside. Ukuhlakanipha ungaphili nge-special privilege. eSwatini akukameli siphile ngeprivilege ukuthi ngomngane webakangwane. Kuphila nemalungelo akabe ethu sonke ngekulingana. Utabe ushiye live ke mawushiye simo lesinjalo. Whosoever is fighting for this battle, the battle is noble. Athi ke lomunye ulwele nguleke emaswati wenda indvo lengekho ebuqinisweni. Ngiyacela maswati banganilimati ngenkolo uNkulunkulu ufuna umhlaba wonke ijustice iprevail. Ayawuthi Martin Luther inkolelo yakhe ithi the arc of justice uthini uthi i-universe ibendela ngasekutheni noma ilekelela ngasekutheni akube nejustice everywhere. Kusho ukuthi mawulwela inkululeko utawugcina uphumelela ungasaboni ukuphumeleliswa yini, kanti the universe is assisting you in the battle for justice for all. So sengedlulile kulendzaba yalo brother lo ungayisusa ras kulesikhathi lesi. Bengifuna ukukhuluma kafishane ngibongele baseSyria. Sibonile ukuthi kube ne take over eSyria. eSyria balwe for 53 years. There was a family njengeyamswati lebuse lapha for 53 years. Balwile for 53 years. Kwahamba in 13 years base batholana baba ne unit. Bebaloku balwa within the 53 years bebaloku balwa but bebethe unit. Kwase ukuthi in 13 years bafunza kubambana. Ungako unity is a process, is not an event. Uma nisabona sihamba ngekuhlukana mawuhamba lesikhathi sitawutholana. NaseSyria kwendeke lokho batholana for 13 years bese bane unity baplana jointly. Baplana within the 13 years kwase kuba na 13 months 13 wetinyanga sebane plan labayakhile bahamba kanye kanye na kanjani 13 months babe bawusakadile lo mbuso wandiza loya wahamba yohlala eRussia. So umkhoseliswa eRussia ngalokuthi people's power is always greater than people in power. Kuyafana nalokwamswati ubenefita ngoba kusenebantu laba promoter i-disunity ku-MDM. The day we find each other sicomplementana singafuna lo ufuna ukugama lo ufuna ukugama emalanga amswati atawusheshe aphele. Syria ihambile 53 years yathi mayihamba bavuma ukuthi hey yathi kuba ngisobhova ngingedwa ngeke kungiside. Let's fight under a unit. For 13 years they were working as a true collective. Kuloyo 13 years 13 months baka strategy ungakhali ukuthi how strategy kufuna ukuthi siwina in a year. 13 years bayihlanganisa unity yabo, then in 13 months zaduma njengoba nibabonile ba celebrate lokulaba ku celebrate akabakwakhe itolo. Kungako nathi we must keep building. Ngitshela nabala sabathinwa endleleni, the revolution is not a sprint but the revolution is a marathon. Ngiyaphinza uma ungene kulomzabalazo lo, uma bowucabanga ukuthi nje sigijima 100 meters sitawuva ngama excuse. Ngikubekisela ngana impi lapha eSyria lesiyibonga sonke. Niyabona baseSyria, go and ask how long they have been planning. So planning is very important. Ngiyedlula angikwathi ukuthi unayo lenkulumo yamalema kunenkulumo yamalema sengijake lapha emaholweni, kunenkulumo yamalema la ibhalile ngathi noma ngangibekela yona la emaswati ayayadi but kumcoka lokuthi ngimkhothe verbatim ngalo sinami ngeke ngambhala ngamabe ras ude la kimi la kuye ngingakhona ukuthi ngithole la ekhasini la President Kawuzela yes awuthi ngibone ke ngiyayathi maswati ngibone seyisusa ludwish bangiphendula labaningi labangiphendulako yes ras kuze emaswati onke angithi mangifunza la abe akhona kubona angikwati ukuthi how fast can it take you ukuthi ubeke na into lengicetha ukukusendela yona kodwa kafishane uthi Malema be wise, don't boycott parliamentary elections even though they are undemocratic. We have to fight dictators at all angles. Ukukhuluma kuna iCongress lebe banayo I think last week yibaningi labahlakaniphile ningadubi lukhetho lwekuya eParliament. Ngikhuluma amagama amalema kusemagama amagawugawu lawa ngoba ngilawubona ngethi inhlamba bathi uthini I quote a leader leni mehloniphako nanani uthi we have to fight dictators at all angles kusho Malema. Uyavuma ukuthi uma ulwa ne-dictator lukhetho lwayo luhlala lu-undemocratic uthi kodwa noma kunjalo hlakanipha ungaludubi wanzile ke mawulandzela lenkulumo yakho yes thank you be wise don't boycott parliamentary elections even though they are undemocratic we have to fight dictators at all angles. Uyavuma lokuthi mawulwa nesichwaka lukhetho lwakhona luhlala luyinkinga njengathi uthi but uboba ngilohlakaniphile nibothi nethuka nibe nathi ukuthi wonke umuntu unelungelo lekukhuluma umqondo wakhe. Why ngifake le nkulumo la ngilokuthi ike yasidunga bathi labanye lababo Rafela noma lababo Madibane bemzabalazo it's counterproductive anti-revolutionary lithi la mfunza kumukela umcondo walomunye ngikuveta lokho ngoba kukhulunywa ngumuntu lengikhola ukuthi labanenge bayamhlonipha laba lamzabalazweni la ngijabulisa khona mase anaba nenkulumo ukhuluma ngesimo saseRussia during the Bolshevik revolution kwakunenkosi eRussia ebitwa ngaTsar kwakune parliament yakhona yayibitwa ukuthi ngamaduna kwakune system tinkundla takhona I'll remember the name tinkundla takhona kwakune system yakhona of government isetshenziswa ngTsar labezama kuyi-enforcer kwafika isikhathi is the serfdom kwakuthiwa i-serfdom le system yaseRussia yokugcilata ema-peasants khona bantu baseRussia ba-understanda ukuthi le parliament lakhe lakuthiwa iduna asifake abantu labangithi they didn't boycott it. Tsar wayidissolva imhlupha igadla langekhathi kunguye loyiphethe wayidissolva wayichitha yokucala ngathi wayichitha in 170 days le ndlela lebeyirobust ngayo abena njengamswati angayidissolva at any time wayidissolva kwabuya iduna yesibili noma iparliament yesibili yaphinza nayo yagadla ngalokunjalo nayo kwahamba sigaba wabona ukuthi hey ipressure imadima wayichitha the power of parliament although i-undemocratic ibanjiwe la ngetulu ngikhuluma ngento le in the books of history lena bani angahamba ayibuka kwakungilolunye luhlobo lwalamalunga eParliament kwakunabo bacede nabo Mthandeni nabo Magawugawu labanenge kuleyo parliament. That is my belief. That's why yayigadla wayichitha ekhathi nekhathi until kwabuya yesithathu noma le yesithathu yayicede iParliament kodwa vele yayigadla yathi mayigadla la ngekhathi kwase kuthi lama peasants la ngaphandle aphakamisa umoya umsakazo waphakama ngekhathi eParliament waphakama ngaphandle kungako sithi ema dictators uwalwisa ngekhathi walwise ngaphandle kunabantu abathi sithi thina live litawukhulwa iParliament nibokwati ukuthi unemanga live litawukhululwa kusukuma kwato tonke tinhlangothi kube bede luhlangothi lolusele ngekhathi eParliament akugadlo nje ngoba boStalin boLenin benda nangaphandle lesive lesihlukulethwa ngilendo ngoba uze uthi Malema le Parliament ekhathi nigadla la ngekhathi it becomes an educational platform ibese ivula umcondo walabantu ngoba lo muntu ukhuluma ku-platform lehlobile, ku-platform lehlonishwa ngumhlaba, nalabantu abangaphandle they gain strength, bese sifuqa kanye liyawa lifulaha. Ngikhuluma inkulumo yamalema njengoba nje batawuhamba babhala somewhere ngithanda uku-emphasize, kodwa le nkulumo yamalema it is exactly inkulumo lengayibika ngaJune 2023. I referred to the Russian Revolution leyathiwa ngokuthi is the Bolshevik. I referred to it and I was proud to see the commander of EFF making a similar example. Ngithi ke Maswati nyalo nisanambitha ukuthi ya labo Rafela bebasibhuqisa kunebantu lesingakhonanga kubafaka ngokuthi bantu bese badungwe bo Rafela. Ngithi ke isikhathi sekufundzisa u-understandeni lokho yibani nesigaba sekuwadi umcondo ukuthi mina ngikhetha nako, mina ngikutshela ukuthi yenda lokushiwo ngimi, but ngikuthengisela umcondo ukuthi icabange in the right context, ungatshelwa bo Rafela lothi mawubabuta ukuthi ngingakwendi lokhu angende ini, bangakutshela ukuthi yenda ini, kodwa bayakutshela ukuthi yini lekumele ukuthi ungayenda. So ngithi ke kuhlwabulena kushiwo ngimi kushiwo ngumalema, bese ngithi leni ngikuvume mina ngithi bantu abakukhulume ukuthi lento lenisho koSwalimo it makes sense. Inkinga lesinayo yinye, laba lesifuna bangene iyasimaka iregime bangakhona kungena, abamaketheki kahle. Let's be clear, lokuya lapha kukahle, mani inkinga kulukhuni lokungena, asibe clear kuloko. Siphinde mina njengamlongeni lelukhethweni, lukhetho lwaseSwatini uma ufundziseke kahle ngalo noma bamake kanjani uyakhona ukuthi ubavimbe ngoba they want to be seen as correct. They want to be seen as correct. Phuma lapho Ras tawuze lempo lekhuluma kingiyo but itaze ba distracted. They want to be seen as correct. So mawubamake ka bayehluleka laba kwenda ko badunga lamaswati ngesingwa nemahlabishi bawabhekise kulolo yovuma li bese lo lesimatiko sine njengemanga ukuthi utawusisebenzela kona abebetele mali. So asivumelane ukuthi inkinga ngileyo, bese ke sibukisana ukuthi emaswati singawasita njani ukuthi angalandzeli singwa, singawasita njani ukuthi angalandzeli lihlabishi, ngoba siyavuma ukuthi lemangweni siyabathi bobaqeda nabo magawukawu yonke inkundla inayo magawukawu wakhona. Bantu bemango bathi labalo kama kungangena eParliament ungafana nantsena magawukawu nabathi sisho inkinga mase la kuya kulento lukhetho ude imoto ude itruck ekwethwala abantu ude tingo niyathi ni community ukuthi nangi lo town nenda niphile ngcono, but nigijima ke nesingwa. Question should be, how do we help the nation? Sisita njani sive? So ungathi lendwa isebenze thani lendwa yendeki ungithu ukuthi lendwa isebenze nokuthi labantu sinakubafaka kuba likhuni kubafaka. It's two things. Makulukhuni it's a tough call. Let's have people who will sit down and say, what can we do to prepare the minds of our people? Bangathengeki bakhona kubona, what can we do? And another thing, we must never wait for lukhetho, masifuna inkululeko. We must pull. Mina nje ngiyakholwa ukuthi ngesifika ku-2028 I believe as long as Swalimo nje une strategic roadmap, Swalimo nje wabamba le strategic roadmap, ngeke sifike ku-2028 onke lamaswati abambisana asibamba kwenteka lokho esikhulwini kuyonke iproject lekhona emakhaya kwasukuma lamaswati abomba njengoba le strategic roadmap isikhuluma lesikhona ngeke kufike ngoba asibuki indlela yinye. No, futhi laba labaseParliament they will be irrelevant, but obona nyalo ukuthi yabona ngakalikhuluma leliciniso ngeke ngiluwine likhetho nga-2028 avukile emaswati lengemuva diyagadla. So ngithini, if Swalimo can stick to that strategic roadmap, babuye bafundise kahle emaswati, swadepa sibambisane, EFF Swaziland sibambisane, sive sincaba sibambisane, UED sibambisane nabo bonke labasengakaboni SNAS to KOSWA to all the pressure groups sibambisane siphushele ndzawonye accordingly ngesifike lapho. So ngithi ngaleyo ndlela amaswati ngiyacela lo ngento engakuveta nyawo lendzaba yamalema uyikhulume kulamalanga yihlwabuleni bese niyakhona kusefa emcondweni ukuthi obani bekasonisa ngoba abona ukuthi sitasuke siphumelele siye la bathi nyalo phela mahlahlandlela akusini yini lebenifaka ludzaka ukuthi bangakhona ukungena ngibutani nyalo angithi ngilebenifaka ludzaka nibutani so kukhuluma eZuma wathi kwacala khuma Malema wathi you see ukhona umuntu lolakuphikisa ukuthi lebhallet lilanhloko ayisiko red wathi loyo muntu loyo kumbe longayikhuluma naye naZuma said the same thing kunebantu labeta enkulumeni ba ready ukuphikisa wena they don't want to listen they are here to disrupt what you are saying ukhulumani ke nemuntu longakedi ukulalela lo ukuphilisa kulento loyikhulumako there is nothing you can talk there and nawe ukhomba ukuthi awufunzi ndake